Hey guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a fade out effect for your text in CapCut. So first, just add your text and then you can customize it as you like. You can choose your favorite font and also color and other settings, and then you can just export it. After that, open it in a new project like this. Then go to overlay and add a black overlay from the stock image. Fit the size and then trim it to where you want the fade out effect to start. And then go to mask, select on film strip and rotate it diagonally like this. Then drag the arrow to have some blurry edges. Okay, after that, click on the check icon and add a keyframe at the start and also the end of the overlay. Then on the second keyframe, drag the black overlay all the way to the left. On the second one, you can just make it full screen like this until it covers all of your text. Okay, so when it play, it will go like this, the fade out effect. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.